everybody, Bobby here with EZLYNK, and today coming to you with a question that we came across on an internet forum and had somebody asking, how do I tell what calibration was last in my vehicle? So if you've got an auto agent, we can definitely show you how to look and see what calibration was in your vehicle, at least flashed with the auto agent. So let's dive in. We'll take a look real quick here. I've got our app opened up. We have a 2024 Polaris Matrix currently pulled up on the application here. And I'll show you two things real quick. So you can see which technician you are currently linked with, and you can do that right here on the top. This is in the My Vehicles tab. So right here, technicians. This particular setup right here, these are a couple test accounts that we use here internally. So, but any technician that you're linked with for calibrations you have purchased or whatnot will show up here in this list. And then if you go down to the next one here, ECU profiles. When you click on this, this is going to show you all the available ECU profiles that have been shared with you that you have purchased access to. And it will also tell you which calibration has been installed on your machine. So, and it will tell you, it specifies whether that's an ECM or a TCM for the automotive side of things. So in this particular case, available ECU profile, I have a stock 2024 file for this particular machine, and the last installed ECM profile was that 2024 stock file, and it shows everything right there. So that's how, real quick guys, that's how you can go in and see which technicians you're linked with and which calibration was last flashed into your vehicle using your auto agent. So thanks again guys, we'll see you on the next one.